Well, good morning, folks. Grandpa Cavendish here. It's Tuesday morning in New York, and it's International Pipe Smoking Day. So I wanted to get on here and take the opportunity to wish everyone a happy International Pipe Smoking Day. All my friends out there in Europe, across America, Australia, South America, truly international community. So it is marvelous, isn't it? Listening to a little Sarah Vaughan here this morning and smoking this relatively new meerschaum by Peter Lehman. As you can see, it's a fairly small bowl, but yet with thick walls, which is quite nice because it remains cool to the touch, which sometimes can be an issue with meerschaum pipes. And smoking this morning, something that does go nicely with this cup of English breakfast tea. And that's a fairly new tobacco that I've received here. With Hogarth's Dark Bird's Eye. Now this one is interesting from the standpoint of its cut. As you can see, this is a very fine shag cut. It's a combination of Virginia and dark-fired Kentucky. So it smells very dark, very full, very fruity in the sense of dark fruit, dried fruit. And from what I understand, this particular cut was smoked by fishermen in the British Isles because of its ease in packing or in keeping your pipe lit in those damp fishing conditions. So it sounded interesting to me, and it sure enough is, because it's very flavorful. Very deep, very dark. Some sweetness. As you can see, it's burning to a nice white ash. Really nice. Really nice. This is supposedly a fairly strong blend. So that's why I chose this smaller pipe, because this is going to be pretty intense. So I didn't want a long smoke. I didn't want a big bowl. So far, nice. I think I'm going to enjoy this one. I've just had it a few times so far, but so far so good. So, hope everyone is going to have a great day today and get a chance to enjoy International Pipe Smoking Day. So from Grandpa Cavendish to you all out there, wherever you are, across America, Germany, Italy, Spain, the British Isles, South America, Australia, wherever you are, Grandpa Cavendish to you. Be well. Enjoy the day. We'll see you all soon. Thanks again.